Assalamu alaikum dear student. In this video lesson I will teach you past continuous tense. As we have already talked about past simple tense, so now we talk about past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense, also known as past progressive tense, is used to express an action going on at some time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस को हम पोस्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस भी कहते हैं. ये हमारे पास उसी एक्शन को ज़ाहिर करता है जो हमारे पास पास्ट में किसी वक्त में जारी हो. द टाइम ऑफ द एक्शन मे और मे नॉट बी इंडिकेटेड. और हमारे पास जो एक्शन का टाइम होता है, जैसे कि इवनिंग, मॉर्निंग या कोई हाथ टाइम हो, तो या तो हम इंडिकेट करते हैं, इट मीन के ज़ाहिर करते हैं या नहीं ज़ाहिर करते हैं. इट डज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू इंडिकेट द टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी वर लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो ऑल इवनिंग. इट वॉज गेटिंग डार्कर. दिस टेंस इज आल्सो यूज्ड विद ऑलवेज, कंटिन्यूली, एटसेट्रा. इसमें हम ऑलवेज और कंटिन्यूली भी लिख सकते हैं. फॉर परसिस्टेंट हैबिट इन द पास्ट. हमारे पास जब पास्ट में कोई ऐसे साबित कदमी वाले हैबिट्स हो जो किसी बंदे के बार बार एक चीज़ रिपीट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉज ऑलवेज ग्रम्बलिंग. वो हमेशा बड़बड़ा रहा था. रूल्स. हेल्पिंग वर्ब was or were is used in a sentence. We use was and were as a helping verb in a past continuous tense. Past form of verb with addition of ing is also used in a sentence. As I have already told you, wherever we use continuous tense, so you remember this point, we will be always use ing form. Now we have a structure of sentence. First of all, we have positive sentence like other tenses. We put subject at the beginning, then we have a helping verb, was or were, plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now you have to understand this point. If the subject is I, he, she, it or a singular pronoun, if the subject is I, he, she, it, अगर हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट I, he, she, it और हमारे पास सिंगुलर प्रॉपर नाउन हो, then helping verb was is used after subject in a sentence. तो हमारे पास उस सेंटेंस में was आ जाता है सब्जेक्ट के बाद. If the subject is they, if we have the subject plural like they, we, you are plural noun, then helping verb were is used. So you have to remember this. Were is used with they, we, you are plural noun, and was is used with a singular proper noun or singular pronoun. Okay. The participle ing is added to the first form of verb, and we add ing with first form of verb which show us continuity. For example, she was washing clothes. Here is a singular pronoun she, so we use was as a helping verb, and washing is a first form of verb plus ing and object. They were playing hockey yesterday. Now we have a negative sentences. How we make a negative sentences? First we put subject, then we use helping verb. Helping verb we have was or were, and then we use not, and then we use first form of verb plus ing and then object. सब्जेक्ट हमारे पास पहले आ जाता है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, वी जस्ट पुट नॉट आफ्टर अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एंड द सेम रूल इज फॉर अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एज वी have was and were in a positive sentences. So the same rule is here in a negative sentences. In negative sentence, not is added between helping verb and verb. Helping verb और verb के दरमियान हम सिर्फ not का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Other rules for using helping verb was or were are same as mentioned above in positive sentences. और बाकी रूल तो वही है जिस तरह के हमने पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में आपको बताए थे. एग्जाम्पल, शी वॉज नॉट वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स. हेयर वी जस्ट पुट नॉट टू negation of point. They were not playing hockey yesterday. Now we have interrogative sentences. How you have to make interrogative sentences? First of all, we put helping verb, was or were. Then we use subject. Then we use first form of verb plus ing and then object. Helping verb, as I already told you, that first we have to put helping verb while making interrogative sentences. Helping verb was or were is placed at the beginning of sentence is obvious. Rules for using helping verb are the same as mentioned above in a affirmative sentences. Was she washing clothes? Were they playing hockey yesterday? Here we just put the helping verb first, then the subject, and then verb plus form plus ing and then object. Now we have not. The word what, where, when, how, etc. will be used before was or were in such a kind of interrogative sentences. We have a different kind of interrogative sentences. Some interrogative sentences start from what, where, when, how. So what we will do when we have such a kind of interrogative sentences, we just put these words before the helping verb. Just like here, what was she washing? So we just put what before was. Now we have interrogative and negative sentences. Interrogative and negative sentences may just the difference between here is we first use the helping verb and then that is was or were, then the subject, here is only one e, plus not plus first form of verb plus ing and then object. In the past progressive tense, interrogative and negative sentences are just like interrogative affirmative sentences with only use of not after subject. This is just like the same as we have the interrogative sentences. We just put not to negate some points after subject. Just like here, was he not laughing? We just put not between the subject and object, between the subject and verb. Were you not listening while he was talking? So here what we put, we just put not between the subject and verb plus form plus ing. Now we have rules. Must put question mark in the end of interrogative and interrogative negative sentences. So we have to put question mark while making interrogative and negative interrogative sentences. Our lecture is end up here at this point. Now I am giving you a home task. Write the whole slides in your neat notebook. Understand the lesson through video lesson. Memorize the rules and structure of past continuous tense. You have to write the whole slides in your neat notebook. आपने इन तमाम slides को अपनी neat notebook में लिखना है. Understand the lesson through video lesson और इसी ही video lesson से अपने इस lesson को सीखना है. Memorize the rules and structure of past continuous tense और past continuous tense के structure और rules को याद रखने हैं. Here is write at least 5 examples of positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. You have to write at least 5 examples. Positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative and negative sentences आपने बनाने हैं. So our lecture is end of here. Allah Hafiz.